I'm here to introduce you to the Alienware Aurora, our newest flagship desktop. It comes with the latest in enthusiast class components in a mid-tower micro ATX chassis to help power the most immersive gaming experience possible. It's all housed within the Alienware ALX chassis. This mid-tower micro ATX chassis was custom designed by Alienware to provide the easiest upgradability possible, along with the inclusion of the Alien FX lighting to provide the latest in personalization for your system. So I'm going to walk you through the system. As you can see, completely toolless entry into the case. When you take off the side of the case, the internal feeder lighting automatically comes on. This is powered by rechargeable batteries, so even when it's unplugged, you can open it up and it will be lit for either upgrades or just showing off the system. This chassis is set up with 3 separate air-cooled thermal zones. In the first zone, you have your Intel 6-core CPUs, factory overclocked and liquid cooled. You also have 4 DIMM slots featuring quad-channel DDR3 1600 or 2133 MHz, and your optical drives, which you can configure with Blu-ray or DVD. In your second zone, you have your GPUs. You can configure this with AMD or NVIDIA GPUs and really dial it up with multi-GPU technologies such as AMD Crossfire X. Finally, in your third zone, you have your 875-watt power supply with plenty of power for future upgrades, as well as your 4 hard drives. These hard drives have 6 gigabit per second connections and can be configured with solid-state drives or RAID technology. On the top of the case, you have your power button as well as the Alien head. This Alien head is an Alien FX lighting zone and also opens up access to your optical drives. Around the case, there are a total of 8 different Alien FX zones with a total of 25 billion different color options. Alien FX has also partnered with over 20 different games to sync the Alien FX lighting with in-game events. The front I/O ports, which feature USB 3.0 and audio in and out, are in the top here. These are designed so that when you plug in your cables, they drape down the side of the case, staying out of the way of your front optical drives. The ALX chassis has active venting up top. These fins can be adjusted to open and close based off of the thermal conditions inside your system. So to show you guys how powerful this system is and what 2 AMD GPUs in a Crossfire setup and a factory overclocked Intel 6-core processor can do, we've loaded the latest game, Battlefield 3, on here. Obviously it looks fantastic. What this means for you is 1080p gaming at beyond 60 frames per second with 3D on multi-monitor setups. So to sum it up, it's Alienware's latest flagship desktop. Thanks for watching.